Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to clear app data on your Android phone. Clearing app data can be useful when an app is not working properly, keeps crashing, or you want to reset the app to its original state. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for Apps, App Management, or Applications. Tap on it to see the apps installed on your phone. Find the app that you want to reset and tap on it. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the app quickly. Once you open the app information page, look for Storage, and Cache, or a similar option. Tap on it. You will see information about how much storage space the app is using. Look for the option called Clear Data, Clear Storage, or Delete Data. The exact name may be different depending on your Android phone. Before you continue, keep in mind that clearing app data will reset the app. This can remove saved settings, accounts, and other information stored locally inside the app. If you are sure you want to continue, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Your phone may show a confirmation message. Read the message carefully, then tap OK or Delete to confirm. The app data will now be removed. When you open the app again, it will behave more like a freshly installed app. You may need to sign in again using your account. You may also need to set up your preferences and other settings again. If you only want to free up a small amount of storage without resetting the app, you can use Clear Cache instead. Clearing the cache removes temporary files, while clearing app data removes the app's locally stored information and resets its settings. For this reason, make sure you choose the correct option. It is also a good idea to check whether the app has important information that has not been backed up before clearing its data. The exact menu names and locations may be different depending on your Android phone and version. If you cannot find the option, open Settings and use the search bar to look for the app name or storage. And that's it. You now know how to clear app data on your Android phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.